This is the new QBox word density feature in action. From the correctness distribution graph, click Show More on one of your utterances, and this will take you straight to word density. Each word is plotted on the graph according to the proportion, as a percentage, of representation within the training data. On the right, the proportions are shown for my incorrect intent, in this case the afford intent, and on the left, my correct intent, the loans intent. A white bar indicates which intent has the highest proportion of representation for that particular word out of these two intents, and the grey bar indicates the intent that has the lowest proportion out of those two intents. So I can see, at a glance, which words within this utterance has the highest proportion of representation compared to the two intents. In the incorrect afford intent, the words I has 92.9% coverage compared with 80% for my loans intent, and money with 50% coverage compared with only 20% coverage for my loans intent. But perhaps the most important part of this phrase is borrow some money. So I can remove the more insignificant words and just concentrate on these ones. Both borrow and some do have the highest proportion to my correct loans intent, with 20% coverage for each, but money, as mentioned before, has the highest proportion to the incorrect intent, with 50% compared to 20% with my loans. If I tick this box at the bottom, I can also see what the average proportion of representation for each word across the whole of my model. So the word borrow is represented 20% across this model, some is 22.2%, and money is 31.1%. This feature can be used in conjunction with the explain feature to help you ascertain which words have the highest influences and which words have the lowest influences in your intents, and will help you to fix problem areas.